Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I want to give out this strategy for free. Okay, I want to give out this strategy for free. I've given signal to the VIP guys with this strategy on Boom 500. Okay, so we've been killing the market. If you check the free Telegram channel, you could tell from the testimonies, from the results you see on the free Telegram channel, you could tell that we are killing the market for real. We're making good profits from the market. So we've been winning, using $3 to make $1,000 and stuff like that. And currently we are meeting up. We're working on meeting 3K target this week, and which we've gone far with that with just $100. So that's what we're doing. And next month we are doing that as well. $100 to 10K. That's the plan for December. Okay, so that we have enough money to, to be able to enjoy the December, the Christmas pretty well. Okay, so yeah, if you're new on our channel, please smash the like button, subscribe. To like this video is very important. Subscribe to the channel, drop some good comments, check the free Telegram check the description box to join the free Telegram channel. All right. Okay, guys, so look at this. This strategy is very simple. All you need to do is wait for the indicators to get to the oversold zone. Once it touches the oversold zone, you are buying already. What do I mean by oversold zone? Look at this place. Once market gets to this level, you see the indicators, the green and the red indicator touches this level. Okay, the level 10. Then you have this red indicator here, touches level 10 as well. You're opening a position just like what happened here. You're opening a position and it's going to spike over and over. All right, it's going to spike over and over. Once it touches this zone, you open position, it will spike. Now, the strategy is for catching up spikes on boom and crash. Boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, crash 500. All right. You use the zoom level 1. Zoom level 2 is what you're using. You're using zoom level 2, and you centralize your charts, your screen. Okay, and you catch one or two spikes and you're out, unless you understand price action pretty well. That's when you hold a position for more spikes. If you can tell the market direction, or you know exactly what markets would do, you can hold for more spikes, just like what we are doing now. We are holding for multiple spikes, all right, to catch multiple spikes. Okay, yeah. So now let's get to the business. For boom 500, for boom, you wait for market to get to the oversold zone. Like I said, this indicator gets to this point, touches this level. Once it touches this level, you also have a confirmation that this red one also touches this oversold zone. Once they touch the zone, you are buying. Okay, and when you buy, let's say you have $100 account, you have to split it into 10 places or 5 places depending. You risk the first $5, and if it does not spike immediately, you risk the next $5. You open another position to make it $10. So you risk $10 for a particular trade. All right, if it does not play out well, fine, you move to the next one. That's the best way to grow. And once you catch that one move with $10, you'll be able to hold it for a long time for markets to really give you more. You recover your losses and you make more profits for the week. All right, and also advise you guys, you want to be successful in trading, look for long-term, have a long-term plan. Don't just jump in and start looking for opportunities to just scalp and make money, or catch spikes and make money. Look for a plan that will sustain you in the market. All right, not just something you want to make money now. That's just the best way to grow. Don't want to make all the money today. Look for a plan. You can be compounding your profits gradually. If it's $5, $10, $20 over time, in just few months, you see you'll be counting thousands of dollars. Okay, so yeah. So for this, for boom, you can see, let me show you the VIP guys. We are making good money, bro. We are making good money. I don't want to waste time. So let me just show you the boom 1000. On boom 1000, let's see. So you need to move your, once you see what happened here, you see we have this one touches this zone and this one touches this zone as well. We have multiple spikes. We had multiple spikes. We had multiple spikes. Okay, we had multiple spikes. We had multiple spikes. That's always the thing. Let's check crash 1000. Market touched that zone. We had multiple spikes right there. Market has been spiking over and over. All right. Okay. Over and over right there. So that's the best way to survive the market with this strategy. All right. With this strategy. So for crash, you wait for market to get to the overbought zone, which is here. You wait for the indicator to get to the overbought zone, which is this level. Once this blue and red, green and red indicator touches this zone, and you see this one touching this zone as well, you're opening the position and it's going to spike over and over. Okay, it's going to spike multiple times. That's the way, guys. So I'll show you guys the settings for this strategy. We have just 3 indicators for this strategy. We have the first one, the RSI, Relative Strength Index. The period day is 10, applied to median price. Levels here, we have 50, we have 5, we have 10, we have 90, we have 95. You can screenshot. Then you go back for style, under style, you use white, okay? So that it will not be seen on the chart. You click on done. You go back again, you're adding moving average of oscillator. Okay, so fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close levels. So the color here is red. You use red color and you click on done. You go back again to you adding alligator. On the indicator window 1, you add alligator. You can see the settings there. Please screenshot. Just period is 13. Teeth period is 6. Lips period is 5. Just shift is 8. Teeth shift is 5. Lips shift is 3. Method is smoothed. Applied to median price. You can see their colors there. All right, you can see the settings of the color. You click on done. That's simple. Remember, it's for catching of spikes on boom and crash. All right. When market gets overbought for crash, you wait for market to touch the 90% zone, 90 level. Once it touches the 90 level, the 2 indicators and this one touches as well, you're selling. All right. Yeah. So for boom, once market touches that level, market touches the oversold zone, the 2 indicators touches this level, you're buying from there. All right. You're buying from there. Then for boom, this boom 500 that we are still holding, you can see the same thing. We have this 2 confirmation, we buy, the market moves. Okay, so remember, you use zoom level 2. It's for catching of spikes. Catch 1 or 2 spikes and you're out, unless you know the price action. And if you want to learn price action, you want to be making money, you want to stay consistent in the market, be making consistent profit, making $1,000 or more daily, check the description box to join us. Chat me up. You see my link there to chat me up. Let's make money. Let's make money, bro. 2025, we shouldn't be playing. Everybody should know how to learn, know how to analyze the market, okay? So, yeah, that's it, guys. And you make your money. So, we'll be waiting for more spikes on the boom 500. Definitely, it's going to give us more spikes. The VIP guys are eating already. Yeah, eating already. So, be blessed, guys. God be all for now. Bye-bye.